Ani Kinawea. Haven't seen you guys in a long time. So today we are going to be doing a round dance vlog. Me and Allie literally drove all the way over here just for a round dance because it's been so long. Plus we saw our grandpa too. We had some breakfast with him this morning. But we are at Cedar Lakes Casino and Hotel. We already made it very comfy. All my stuff is already spread out. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Mainly Allie's stuff right here. Her skirt, my skirt that I'm gonna wear tonight, my lotion, Brazilian Bum Bum, live by it, my clothes, shoes, all my good stuff. And then I'm also beating some earrings right now because I wanted some new earrings for tonight, so I'm just beating these. They should be finished by then because it's 2:24. Oh, Allie is doing her makeup over there. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh yeah, it was so cool. They gave us a little toiletries bag. I've never had a hotel give me a toiletries bag before. That's so cool.
They gave us 2 of them for each person.
Yeah. But you might laugh. Anyway, that's what the outside looks like. Cool views. But good views. Allie's trying to look for her eyelashes. I'll also show you the bathroom just because I think the bathroom looks really nice. So this is the bathroom. I have never been to a hotel yet that had makeup towels, so I thought that was really cool. And then the shower is pretty. I don't know, I just think it's really pretty here. I have not brushed my hair yet today, but we're gonna do that later. See my rat's nest in the back. Oh my. We'll keep you guys updated after we get ready.
Well, we're running on Indian time. We're getting something to eat in the little food court here at the casino. And as you can tell, it's already going on back there. We ordered cheeseburgers, all basic. But we're running late because I finished my earrings. Look at how pretty those are. So pretty. Can I get a round of applause?
Yeah, but I really like my eye makeup. If you haven't noticed, I did 2 little hearts because it is Valentine's weekend. So beautiful. Still waiting for our food though. Should be up soon though. Should be up soon. Okay, so we got our food. Cheeseburgers and fries. Alright, we are here. We are here. And it's going good so far. Oh, it's really nice. So nice being here. You're like, what is she saying?
Drums that are sitting in the middle there, they're for your use, for you to come out. Grab a drum and start singing, hanging in on the songs.
Get some water, but look at this beautiful artwork. Beautiful. Then we have some over here too. We got some cool purses. Wow, those beanies are beautiful. Should we buy them both?
What they take.
We should buy them.
These hats? They're so cool.
This one looks bigger though. Water break out on the casino floor. Oh my god, I just spilled it on me. Oh my god, my mask has on. I can't do this. Hold on.
chaotic energy. Sorry guys. There. Oh, we also bought the beanies. Here's one. Then the other one from Brian. Oh, anyways, they're so pretty. I still have not taken my mask off.
This is ice cold. They gave me a brain freeze.
So we actually traded them because there was one bigger one, and I did not realize he had other smaller ones. He let us trade it for another small one. Beautiful. All right, we're wearing them. Beautiful. My bangs are gonna be all flat by the time I take this off.
Thank you. Multitask.
Bobby Ocean.
He's got 5 little ends. Do it.
Oh my.
All right. You are
All sweaty too.
Mister, let's go. These 6 will move on. Grab a drink of water. Do what you got to do. Take a hot shot of coffee. All right, here we go. Good luck, ladies. Song number 2. Contestant number 1 right here. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 5. Contestant number 6. All right, your winner take all is contestant number 7. Number 5. All right. winner take all. Oh, he turned all the way around this time. He didn't look back. All right. Final song for our lead singer. Let's go. Oh, Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 5. Contestant number 6. Ooh, one more time. You guys want to dance off between 5 and 6? All right, here we go. 2 push-ups. Yeah, there's that chicken. That's right. All right, here we go. The finals between these 2 young men. Do your best. Hold on.
Is it 2-year-old man?
But we're all down with the round dance, and we tried to go gambling. This is my second time. I had bad luck the first time, and I had bad luck again, and I rubbed off on my sister Allie because she usually has really good luck. And I was just like, no. But I got 2 bags of hot Cheetos and an XXL spicy burrito, and then Allie got barbecue chips from the gift shop. Where are you going? We had a good night though, and now we're just gonna get comfy and wind down.
PJs.
Yes.
Makeup off.
Yes. Okay, so we both have our comfy clothes on, and we just gotta take our makeup off. This lighting is crazy weird. Maybe all dark. But let's see if we can set this up over here. Ooh. Okay. I know.
Does that do anything?
Maybe
No,
darker.
just made it dark. Does that matter? Oh, look, does that do anything?
I'm not even there.
Barely.
Turn them off. Oh, I shook myself. That's better. Okay. But we're in our comfy clothes. I bought myself 2 bags of hot Cheetos. Allie got some barbecue chips from the gift shop. And I'm actually pretty hungry right now, so I also got the XXL spicy burrito from the gift shop.
Spicy
Probably. I think we have this brand back at our gas station too. I'm all using the bag as a plate though because I had nothing else to put on it. Obviously, I did not put the bag in the microwave, but I don't know who would think that, but I'm just saying beforehand. But it was really nice to be at a round dance again because I don't think we've been to a round dance in over 3 years because of COVID. That's why we came all the way out here. Wild. But
And a whole blizzard too.
we're gonna try and get up early tomorrow. I want to leave by like maybe 6 a.m. because it's gonna be like about what? Like a 12-13 hour drive back home. But I think it's supposed to be pretty clear weather tomorrow, which is good. Anyways, yeah, 13-hour drive tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There was some pretty good singing there. A lot of beautiful ribbon skirts and just beautiful indigenous people. Shimagwatch for watching, and see you guys next time.